Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here, and I'm here to teach phonics for this week. Our learning target is I can demonstrate between short and long vowels. Boys and girls, the week before spring break we talked about our vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. We talked that we have short vowel sounds, and when there are short vowels, we can hear the sound the vowel says, and we also discussed long vowels, and long vowels say its name. Last week, we talked about short A and E vowel sounds, and we also talked about long A and E vowel sounds. This week, we'll continue our short and long vowel sounds, and today we're going to focus on short I vowel sounds. When we are reading short vowel sounds, we are listening for the sound that the vowel says. So let's look back at this anchor chart, and this anchor chart has our short vowels, and we listen for the sound, like when we are reading cat, we heard the ah sound for the letter A, and when we were reading, looking for the short E vowel sound, we read bed, and we heard the eh for the short E vowel sound. Today we're focusing on the short I vowel sound. Miss Tigner's going to stretch out the word pig and really listen for that short I sound. Are you ready? P. Egg. Did you hear that short I vowel sound? Stretch out the word with me and let's listen for that short I vowel sound. P, egg. The short I vowel sound says I, I, I. Let's read that word one more time. P, egg. Good job. Now we're going to listen to Pete the Cat and the Big Wen. Let's find the short I vowel sounds. Are you ready? Pete the Cat and the Big Wen by James Dean. Pete the Cat is at bat. Will he hit the ball? He swings, he misses. Strike one. Here comes a pitch. Pete swings, he misses. Strike two. Pete swings a third time. Strike three. Pete is not sad. He did his best. Pete is in the field. Here comes a ball. Will Pete catch it? It hits his mitt. Yippee! Pete wins the big game. Yay, Pete. All right. Did you see any short I vowel sounds in the story? Pete the Cat and the Big Wen? Let's see. Miss Tigner saw these short I vowel sounds. This word is big. I'm going to stretch out the word and listen for that short I sound. Big. Big. Big has the short I vowel sound. Eh. What about this word hit? H, it. H, it. I heard that short I vowel sound in the word hit. What about this word? In. In. When. When has that short I vowel sound too. Can you think of any other CVC words that have a short I vowel sound? Write them down. We're going to talk about those words tomorrow. Hope you'll have a great day.